everybody, and welcome to another episode of Little Wonders. There's Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, and Peppa Pig. But where's George? Has anybody seen George? Here comes a Tombliboo. Hello, Tombliboo. Have you seen George? No, I haven't seen George. Then where could he be? But I saw some cups over there, says the Tombliboo to Peppa. Cups? What cups? asked Peppa. I think they were colourful cups. I think there was a yellow cup, a blue cup, and a green cup. I thought I saw George playing near the cups, but then I couldn't see him anymore, says the Tombliboo. I want to speak to George now, says Daddy Pig, but I can't find him anywhere. I saw him playing near these cups. Where could he be, says Daddy Pig. Let's have a look, Peppa. Now, there used to be a game where people would move the cups around, and then suddenly they would find something. So we have a yellow cup, green cup, and a blue cup. And then we have Peppa looking over here. There's something strange about these cups, isn't there? Isn't there? Mummy Pig thinks so too. The Tombliboo is going to sit here and look carefully at the cups with Mummy Pig. Peppa, can you see what's going on? I think there's something funny going on. Let's move them around. Wait a minute. Peppa spotted something. Peppa thinks that she can see a surprise inside one of the cups. What could it be?
I think it's George.
There was a little wonder in the background who just said, I think it's George. Could George be inside one of these cups? Shall we take a look? Is he inside the yellow cup? No. Empty.
It's in the green cup.
Is he inside the green cup? No. It's empty. And what's left? Could he be inside the blue cup? Ta-da! There's George. Wow, George is back. Hi, Peppa. I was playing a game. I went inside the cup and then I got stuck. The Tombliboo saved me. And I'm back. And I'm going to say hello to the audience. And I'm going to say goodbye. See you on the next episode, Little Wonders. Bye-bye.